Today we'll see the applications of matrices. Matrices we have done, and you also know how to find out the inverse of a matrix. So today we'll see the application of matrices and using the linear equation. There are two methods of finding out the inverse of the matrices. Inverse of matrix. There are two methods. One is adjoint method and the elementary method. Elementary method we have done, that is a very lengthy process. There are two types of transformation, row and column. There might be some question based on row transformation, that you have to do only row transformation and you have to find out the inverse of the matrix. Similarly, there might be some questions based on column transformation. You have to do only column transformation and you have to find out the inverse of the matrix. And another method, that is adjoint method. Adjoint method, in that you have to find out the minus, cofactors and then adjoint, and it will take lesser time to find out the inverse of the matrix. So today we'll see linear equation, application of matrices in linear equation. Okay, there will be two linear equation, and you have to find out the unknown, that variable, and then based on that you have to find out the inverse of the matrix or some matrices. We'll talk about the applications of matrices. Applications of matrices matlab linear equations given. There are two linear equations given. A1x b1y is equal to c1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So how this will convert this into matrix? See, ax is equal to b. We have done sums on this now. So a will be equal to this one. The coefficient, what are the variables we'll keep aside, that is in x1, x, this one. X matrix will be for variables, and coefficient will write here in A matrix, that is a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay. Now x matrix x and y, x and y. Okay. And matrix B, c1, c2. Okay, got it? So when we'll multiply these so ax and b, it means what? A matrix a1, b1, a2, b2 multiplied by x, y is equal to b, that is c1, c2. Okay, so it means what? When we'll multiply now, you will get the value a1x b1 y. Okay, first row, first column. Now second row, a2x plus b2y is equal to c1, c2. It means what? This value, when two matrices, as we all know that when two matrices are equal, it means each element of the matrix will be equal. It means c1 will be equal to this one and c2 will be equal to this one. So the same thing is written here in linear equation with two variables. You find out the value of matrix or variables x, y. Similarly, if three variables are given, three variables are there, so three linear equations will be there. It means linear equation with three variables. So can you find out the value of the variables x, y, z? Sum we'll see, then we'll understand. You will understand how to find out. One sum we'll see, then you will understand how to solve the problem, this kind of problem. Okay, so these are the values given. This is the coefficient of x. Okay, so we'll write a 3, 5, minus 2 and 1. Okay, b is equal to 2, 5, and x, so you know what is the value of x, that is x and y. Okay, so now what we have to do, ax plus b, ax is equal to b. Okay, in question they are asking for the matrix equation. Yeah, two linear equations given, and you have to find out the value of the matrices, and you have to write the matrix equation. Okay, so this will be the matrix equation. Then you have to find out the matrix equation, and then three linear equation. It means linear equation with three variables given, and you have to find out the value of you have to find out the matrix equation. So first of all we'll write this. A is equal to 3 7 2, 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 and 5. This will be the value of A. Now x का value क्या होगा? X will be equal to, there are three variables, so x, y, z, and B will be equal to 4 3 4. Okay, and what will the matrix equation? That will be Ax is equal to B. This will be the matrix equation. Okay, x will be equal to A inverse into B. So directly we have to find out the value of A inverse, and then we'll multiply that matrix with B, and then we'll get x. Linear equation is with two variables, two equations given, equation number 1, equation number 2. What you have to do, first of all you just find out the value of Ax, and this A will be equal to 1 2 2 3, 1 2 2 3. X will be equal to x and y, and B will be equal to 2 3 2 3. Okay, and here A into x is equal to B. So what we'll do, we'll multiply A inverse both the sides. Okay, so it will be, when we are multiplying A inverse and Ax, okay, A inverse both the side, and this is A inverse B. Okay, so it will become A inverse into A will be I, identity matrix, into X will be equal to A inverse into B. So X का value will be A inverse into B. ठीक है? So now we have to find out the value of A inverse, then we'll multiply that equation, matrix by B, and we'll get the value of X. So here we have to use inversion method. Okay, so inversion method we have to use. So first of all what we will do, हमें A inverse find out करना है, तो first of all determinant of A will find out, that is 1 2 2 2 3. Okay, so 3 into 1 3, 2 into 2 4, minus 1. Okay, now minors will find out, then cofactors will find out. So M11 M12 M21 M22. Okay, so M11 मतलब minor of this one. Okay, so what will be the minor of this one? 3. 1 2 के लिए क्या होगा? 2, 2 1 के लिए भी 2, and 3 के लिए क्या होगा? 1. Okay, now मतलब M 2 2 के लिए the minor will be that one. Now we have to find out the cofactors. Cofactors क्या होते हैं? Just we have to put the sign. So this will be plus minus minus plus. So plus minus minus plus. So 3 minus 2 minus 2 and 1. ये होगा कोफैक्टर का. Okay, कोफैक्टर का this one matrix. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the transpose of the matrix, and when we'll find out the transpose, now we'll get the same matrix, transpose 3 minus 2 minus 2 and 1. Okay, so this matrix is symmetric matrix. Okay, so when we are finding out the transpose of the matrix, we are getting the same matrix. So cofactor, so adjoint, what will be the value of, as we all know that adjoint of A is, adjoint of the matrix A will be the cofactor का जो matrix होगा उसका transpose will be the value of adjoint of the matrix A. So here the matrix is, the given matrix is the adjoint of the matrix, adjoint of the cofactors matrix. So that is 3 minus 2 minus 2 and 1. Okay, ये adjoint हुआ. Now we have adjoint, so can we find out the value of A inverse? Yes, A inverse is equal to 1 upon ये A into adjoint of A. So this will be the minus 1. So minus 1 into this matrix, 3 minus 2 minus 2 and 1. Okay, When we'll multiply this now, we'll get minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1. Okay, okay. So when we'll multiply, we'll get this value. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this A inverse. This is A inverse. So A inverse into B. So we'll get the value of x. So x will be equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse is 3, 2, 2 minus 1 into B. What is the value of B? 2, 3. Okay. This is B. Okay. Now what we have to do? First row, first column. 3 minus 3 into 2 minus 6. 2 into 3 plus 6. 2 into 2 4. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay. So it will be 0 and 1. Okay. This matrix is 0 and 1. So the x का जो value होगा that is 0 and 1. और x matrix actual में है क्या? That is x and y है. Okay. So the value of x is 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay. So 3 equations are there. So A will be equal to 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1. 1, 1 minus 1. Oh, this should be minus now. All are plus. Okay. Now x is equal to x, y, z. And b is equal to minus 1, 2, 3. Now what we have to do? We have to, if it's given ax is equal to b. I mean, we can find out the matrix equation. Okay, so these are the 3 equations, linear equation with 3 variables. These are the 3 equations given. So based on that, we can find out the matrix A. That is coefficient ka matrix we can find out, that is A, and x, y, z is x, and x matrix हम x, y, z लेंगे, and B matrix 1, 2, 3 लेंगे. Okay. Okay. So now Ax is equal to B, the matrix equation. So now we can do it. We have to find out the value of x. Okay, A and B is given. So x we have to find out. So x का value क्या होगा? X will be equal to A inverse B. Okay. So first of all we have to find out the value of A inverse. So for that we need minus M11. Okay. So M11 क्या होगा? M11 will be minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. So minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0. M12. And 2, first row and second column. So for that 1, 1, 1 minus 1. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 2. M13. M13 के लिए this. Okay. So 1 minus 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. M21. M211 for this one. The 1, 1, 1 minus 1. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. M22. Middle one. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. The same value. 1, 1, 1 minus 1 के लिए we got minus 2 ना, तो we'll write minus 2 directly. Okay. Now next one. M23. M23 के लिए मतलब this one. Second row, third column. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. तो 1, 1, 1, 1 नहीं था. Okay. So this will be 1. This will be minus 1, 0. Okay. M31. मतलब for this one. 1, 1, minus 1, 1. 1, 1, minus 1, 1. So 1 minus 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2. M32, that is M32, third row, second column. So this one. So 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1 के लिए we got 0 ना, तो 0. M33, third, last one. So M33 के लिए we got we'll get what we'll get 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. So 1 1 1 minus 1 के लिए -2 we are getting -2. Okay. So now matrix हमने ये मिला right. Now we'll write this one. M11 0 -2 2 -2 -2 0 2 0 -2. ओके, ये वैल्यूज हमें मिले. ओके, सो फॉर दिस वन नाउ प्लस माइनस प्लस करते हैं ना, तो प्लस माइनस, सो माइनस प्लस minus plus minus, so this will be minus because we have to convert this in cofactor. तो cofactor के लिए what we are doing, the magnitude will be same, whatever the minus का value है ना, that will be same, just we need to change the sign according to the like 1 1 plus minus plus according to the number of the row and the column. Like if it is M23 है तो C23 जो कोफैक्टर होगा that is -1 का पावर 2 + 3, मतलब 3 2 है तो 3 + 2 that is 5, तो that is -1. So similarly plus minus plus minus plus minus and plus minus plus, तो ये प्लस है, ये माइनस है, ये प्लस है, तो this will remain same. तो कोफैक्टर्स का we have to find out the transpose adjoint के लिए. So this will be 0, ये 2 2 and 2 -2 0 2 0 -2. Okay, so this is the value. Now we have to find out the transpose. तो transpose क्या होगा इसका? 0 2 2 0 2 2 2 -2 0 2 -2 0 2 0 -2 2 0 -2. अरे this is the same value, same matrix. Again this is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, तो we got the adjoint. ट्रांसपोज हमने फाइंड आउट किया, तो कोफैक्टर के ट्रांसपोज का वैल्यू क्या होता है? एडजॉइंट का वैल्यू होता है. सो वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ एडजॉइंट. सो डायरेक्टली विल राइट हियर because we have less space na in this board, that's why I'm just roughing it and I'm just solving it in less space. Okay, so adjoint of A will be 0 2 2 2 -2 0 2 0 -2. Okay, now we have to find out the determinant, जो कि अभी तक हमने किया नहीं है फाइंड आउट. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट विल डू, डिटर्मिनेंट हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. A, ओके, यहाँ पे इट विल टेक मोर स्पेस ना, सो हम यहाँ पे करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 into this -1 1 1 -1 -1 1 1 -1. ठीक है, नाउ सेकेंड वन -1 -1 1 1 1 -1 1 1 1 -1. Why we are taking like this? Determinant का वैल्यू क्या होता है? The value of the determinant of a given matrix, that is 3 cross 3. So first of all any row or any column we can consider. So here what we are doing, हम ले रहे हैं first row. So first row के लिए there are 3 values 1 1 1. Okay, so for this one it will be positive, negative, positive, plus minus plus. So 1 we have taken positive, again we have taken minus, and again we will take plus 1. And now how values we are taking when we are considering this value now, this row and this column will be hidden. So only what we are seeing, that if first row and first column will hide the first row and first column, what is left behind? That is -1 1 1 -1. So we have written here. So similarly for second row, first row second column, the first row and second column will be hidden. When we'll hide first row and second column, what is left behind? 1 1 1 -1. So 1 1 1 -1 1 1 1 -1. Okay, now the third one is +1. So when we'll hide this first row third column, 1 -1 1 1 1 -1 1 1. Okay, now we have to find out the values. -1 is here ना, so वो तो सेम ही रहेगा, no change. तो -1 and 1 -1. Okay, this is now this is okay. हम इसे ले लेते हैं. This is minus, so -1 -1. Okay, again plus 1 and -1 -1, तो +1. Okay, so this is 1 -1 0. This is what -2 and minus, तो +2 हो जाएगा. So directly we'll write only 2 +2, so it will be 4. Okay, so here we'll write the determinant of the matrix A is equal to 4. Now we have to find out the inverse of the matrix A. So A inverse will be equal to 1 upon, since A inverse will be equal to 1 upon matrix determinant of A into adjoint of A होता है ना. So directly we'll put the value 1 upon 4 and determinant and this matrix adjoint of A 0 2 2 2 minus 2 0 0 2 2 2 minus 2 0 and 2 0 minus 2. Okay, so this matrix. Okay, now we'll multiply this matrix. Okay, so x का वैल्यू क्या होगा, A inverse into B. Okay, so A inverse का वैल्यू is given, so 1 upon 4 into 0 2 2 2 minus 2 0 2 0 minus 2 into B. B का वैल्यू क्या है, -1 2 3. So based on this one, this is 3 cross 3, this is 3 cross 1, so the resultant matrix will be 3 cross 1. Okay, तो 3 cross 1 में ही होगा. Okay, so now what we have to do, first row first column 0 into something 0, 2 into 2 4 and 2 into 3 6. Now second row first column 2 into -1 -2, -2 into 2 -4 and 0 into something 0. The third row first column 2 into -1 -2, 0 into something 0 and -2 into 3 -6. Okay, so what resultant value we are getting, -6 -8. Okay, so x is what, x is x y z, matrix x का value is x y z. There are 3 elements, so the resultant matrix we got -6 -8. So x का value, it means x का value is 10, y का value -6 and z का value is -8. I hope you understood the concept, sums, and if you have any doubt, any query, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.